Well, you guys, we have done it. Thanks to you. We have reached 20,000 subscribers on this channel. Yay! And before we get into the celebrations, and I have an unboxing and a few other cool things for you that I think you'll enjoy, I do want to give a shout out to a couple of other people. Yota Style, not too long ago, reached 4,000 subscribers, so congratulations to you. And very, very recently, Styled by Gwenny reached 1,000 subscribers. That's a big milestone. So congratulations to you. It is well deserved, and I'm sure you'll both have many, many more. And I will link both of their channels below, of course. Now, keep watching to see what I have in store for you. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury bags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals and discount codes and sales and rare finds related to all these beautiful things we love. So we have done it. We have reached 20,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys so much for that. Some of you have already noticed and have left me some very kind comments on previous videos, and I have seen those and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I do have a few special things in store for you in this video, some of which I have filmed previously, and that'll be obvious because I'm not in the same clothing. But before we get to that, I want to introduce you to a few special guests that you may recognize. First, we have Sir Baron. Hello, Baron. He's very happy to be here. He's not so happy to be in his little tuxedo, as I think is quite obvious. Poor little guy. Looks very sad. I will put him back down. And then, of course, we have Roxy. Hello, Roxy. Roxy, I'm going to turn her around so you can see her dress. Thought it was kind of Chanel-like, tweed and pearls. And she also is just not very energetic on camera. Eh? I think that they're upset because they know the 20,000 subscribers all subscribed to see them and not me. Is that true? I believe it is. Her Chanel dress is related to something you will see in my next video on Saturday, which is the handbag that I got to celebrate and commemorate 20,000 subscribers. And that's a little clue for you. It's a very big unboxing, so make sure you tune in on Saturday to see that video. Very exciting. And there's Vincent. I can't dress her up, but I know that a lot of you wanted to see her. So there she is, all freaked out. Oh, she said Baron, and she's waving at you. Hello. Hello, Vincent. Hello. Silly bird, don't eat the camera. And Winnie recently mentioned this on her channel. One of our subscribers created portraits of us, so here's the one that she did of me. Her company is Made Line Designs. Very cool, I really like it, and I will link her website below. That could make a great gift if you don't know what to get someone. You could get portraits done of them or people that they care about, maybe animals, I'm not sure if she does that. But if you're interested in a very unique and personalized gift like that, make sure you check her out. She's linked below. And thank you so much for this portrait. So sweet. All right, let's get on to two things that I have to show you today. First, the day I hit 20,000 subscribers, Paul and I went out for a very special drink, and I want to share that with you now. Okay, we're at our favorite restaurant called Pico's, and we're going in for a very special something that we have never had before. And I planned on getting this when I hit 20K, and it is time, baby. All right, one of the reasons that this is our favorite restaurant is because they have all these beautiful margaritas, and they are fantastic. They're like the best margaritas in Houston. And this is the one we're getting, La Billionaria. It's Herradura Selección Supremo, Grand Marnier Cuvée du Centenaire. I don't know if I said that right. 100 years old with fresh lime juice, and yes, it is $75, which is why we've never had it before. But it's supposed to come in a shaker like all the other ones do, where we can each get a full drink out of it. There's some noisy birds out there who don't appreciate when someone's filming, so that's what we're here for. Hope it's good.
And we're hoping that the lime juice isn't 100 years old.
Yes, we're hoping that for sure. Did you hear what she said? She said she's a middle school teacher. That's why they're so rowdy and loud. Of course. I am too. That's what I'm saying. Tomorrow's the last day of school, and
All the middle school teachers are out there shouting their lungs out.
beautiful drink.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you. Let's toast. Oh, Rock said he wanted to be in on the toast, like on speaker. He said he would take a shot of tequila with us. Hey, it's gonna be hard to hear you, but we've got our drink and we were gonna toast. Did you want to get tequila?
Hang on a second.
Okay. Okay, we've got a table full of teachers over here. They're being really rowdy.
Middle school.
Middle school teachers, yeah. Okay.
Friends of yours or just
No, I have no idea who they are. I don't know how y'all want to do this, but cheers.
Cheers.
cheers?
Cheers.
Thanks. We're tapping the phone. Thank you, thank you. Let's try this. It's a pretty good margarita.
It is.
It's smoky.
Very smoky.
That's from that 100-year-old.
Your $100 margarita?
Yeah, it's $75. It's got Herradura Selección Supremo and Grand Marnier Cuvée, which is 100 years old, and fresh lime juice.
Great.
Yeah. It tastes like a smoky margarita. It's really good.
Delicioso.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna hang up on you just because it's hard to hear you. But
Okay.
thanks for joining the party.
Hope you're feeling better.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Autumn.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. I'm back. Overall, it was really good, but not something I would get again. I thought the drinks that we usually get that are maybe $14 were better than that one, but I understand it was that pricey because of the ingredients. Now I have a very special luxury unboxing to share with you. This was unexpected, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I am enjoying it. Let's open a couple of presents. When I hit 20,000 and I came home and told the guy, hey, guess what happened today? I hit 20,000. He said, hold on. He went into his room and he came back with this. A lovely little yellow bag from Kendra Scott. And inside that bag is a box. A lovely little yellow box from Kendra Scott. And when we opened that, well, there was a bow on it. I took that off. And there was another bag inside. And inside that bag was these earrings, which are so cool. So the reason that he picked these out is on Mother's Day, we took my mother to this crepe place for breakfast, and right next door there's a Kendra Scott, and I saw these in the window and I pointed them out and I said, oh, how lovely, I really like those. And he went back and got them for me. I think the next day, and then he was holding on to them until I hit 20,000. Isn't that sweet? And aren't I lucky? I'm also lucky to have such lovely YouTube friends because I got this gift from Yota and Winnie. I got a package notification from FedEx, and I wasn't expecting anything from FedEx, so I had no idea what it was. So when it arrived, before it hit 20,000, I opened it, and I'll show you how far I got into opening it. I got this far, and then I stopped. You know what this is, yes? If you don't, let me help. Can you read what it says under there? Tiffany & Co. So I texted them, and I was like, what are y'all doing? Actually, it has a little gift card, but it only has Yota's name on it for some reason. And they were like, hey, Winnie was part of this too. I don't know why Winnie's name didn't end up on the card. Okay, yeah, she actually wrote something nice. I was gonna say, I think she wrote something rude that I couldn't read to you because that's how our relationship is. But she wrote, congratulations on 20K, love Yota. But it's actually from Yota and Winnie. So let's open this. I do already know what it is because there was a receipt and that said what it is. Let's take this out. I knew just from the size of the box, this beautiful blue box with the white ribbon, that it is housewares, but I had no idea. I thought maybe they sent me a wine glass, not what it is. And I can't just pull this off the side, I actually have to untie it. So, oh, how lovely. It is nice to untie ribbons sometimes instead of just pulling them off and preserving the bow. I have not seen these yet. I've seen them in person before, but long time ago. And Tiffany packs their housewares very well, especially when it's a breakable piece like this is. And there are two things in there. It's actually shrink wrapped around the bubble wrap. So I have to get my trusty green knife. Man, I feel like I could break this just getting the plastic off. It's very sturdy. All right, I finally got them unwrapped. You ready? Here they are. These are the crystal, just hold one up so you can see it a little better. The crystal rock cut double old-fashioned glasses. Aren't they beautiful? So pretty, the way they catch the light on the bottom. Lovely. And the ladies know that I appreciate luxury housewares as much as I do handbags. So these will be used and treasured. So thank you again to Yota and Winnie for such a sweet and thoughtful gift. I do really appreciate that. Remember to tune in on Saturday for my very, 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 very special handbag unboxing. I'm super excited about it. And I think a lot of you will be too. Thank you so much for helping me get to 20,000 subscribers. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe. It's easy, you just click the red button. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.